Hello everyone, welcome to Marathi reading and listening practice session. It's month of June and it has started raining in Maharashtra. Everyone welcomes this rain because everyone is waiting for this rain after such a scorching heat. So it may be youngsters to old ones and farmers. Everyone is really waiting for this rain. And this rain has also occupied an important part of the poems and literature. So I thought to share with you two small poems which are always sung by Marathi children. Let's see them. So first one is Yere Yere Pausa. This is a small poem or rhyme which doesn't have really much meaning, but it has that rhyming words. And even small babies who have just started talking, then parents will try to teach them this poem and they will start singing it. So I'll read it out. Yere yere pavasa, tula deto paisa, paisa झाला खोटा, पाऊस आला मोठा. ये ग सरी, माझे मडके भरी, सर आली धावून, मडके गेले वाहून. So the words like पावसा, पैसा, खोटा, मोठा, सरी, भरी, धावून, वाहून, that gives its magic and that makes it interesting for young children. So let us see its meaning. Yere pausa. Hey rain, come. Tula deto paisa. I will give you money. Paisa jhala khota. The money turned fake. Paus ala motha. But the rain came big. So it means that there was a very heavy shower. Motha is big. Yega sari. Sir means shower of rain or drizzle. So hey shower, come here. माझे मडके भरी, fill up my pot. Sir आली धावून. The drizzle came running. मडके गेले वाहून. And with the water or with the flow of water, that pot was carried away. Let us see its meaning in Hindi. बारिश, आजा आजा बारिश, तुम्हें देता हूँ पैसा, पैसा हो गया झूठा, बारिश आ गई बड़ी. आ जाओ बौछार, मेरा मटका भर दो, बौछार आ गई दौड़कर, मटका गया बह गया. मटका गया बहकर और मटका बह गया. So as I said, it doesn't have any special meaning as such, but those rhyming words make it interesting for children. Now there is another poem which has meaning, and in this poem a small child is urging his or her mother to let him go in the rain to get drenched. So let us see what that poem says. ए आई मला पावसात जाऊ दे, एकदाच ग भिजुनी मला चिंब चिंब होऊ दे. मेघ कसे बघ गडगड करीती, विजा नभातून मला खुणविती, त्यांच्या संगे अंगणात मज खूप खूप नाचू दे. बदकांचा बघ थवा नाचतो, बेडूक दादा हाक मारतो, पाण्यामधुनी त्यांचा मजला पाठलाग करू दे. धारे खाली उभा राहुनी, पायाने मी उडविन पाणी, ताप खोकला शिंका सर्दी वाटेल ते होऊ दे. लेट अस सी इट्स मीनिंग. ए आई मला पावसात जाऊ दे. हे मदर लेट मी गो इन टू रेन. एकदाच ग, जस्ट वन्स. भिजुनी मला, भिजुनी, भिजणे मीन्स टू गेट ड्रेंच. भिजुनी मला चिंब चिंब होऊ दे. चिंब चिंब होणे, इट इज अ फ्रेज विच मीन्स टू गेट ड्रेंच फ्रॉम head to toe. So he's saying just once let me go into water and get me drenched completely. मेघ कसे बघ गडगड करीती. मेघ means cloud. In day to day language we say ढग. So look how those clouds are making sound गडगड. It's thundering sound. विजा नभातून मला खुणविती. नभ in day to day language we'll say akash, which means sky. Veej means lightning. So lightnings are calling me. Khunavne, it means like to sign or beckon. So those lightnings are calling me or attracting my attention. Tyancha sange, other word we can say tyancha barobar, along with them. अंगणात, in the courtyard. मज खूप खूप नाचू दे. नाचू दे, let me dance a lot with them in the courtyard. मज means मला. So normally we'll say मला in poetic language, or this is the old style Marathi, मज. बदकांचा बघ थवा नाचतो. बदक, duck, thava, swarm or group. So look, the swarm of duck is dancing. Beduk dada haak marato. Dada means elder brother. Beduk, frog or toad. So brother frog is calling me, or they are making sound. So as if frogs are calling. पाण्यामधुनी त्यांचा मजला पाठलाग करू दे. पाठलाग करणे, इट मीन्स टू चेज. पाण्यामधून, थ्रू द वॉटर्स. मजला, अगेन द ओल्ड वे ऑफ सेइंग मला. सो अलाउ मी टू चेज देम थ्रू वॉटर. धारे खाली उभा राहुनी. धार मीन्स शॉवर or the torrents of rain. So allow me, sorry, dhare khali ubha rahuni, by standing in the showers. Paya nemi udavina pani. Udavne, it means, so in this context it's like I will kick the water with my legs and make those drops fly. Taap, khokla, shinka, sardi. वाटेल ते होऊ दे. वाटेल ते होऊ दे, it means let it happen anything. वाटेल ते, no matter what. So he's saying that even if I get temperature or cough or cold or I have to sneeze, let it happen. Anything may happen, but allow me to enjoy the rains. Let us see its meaning in Hindi. माँ मुझे बारिश में जाने दो. एक ही बार पानी में, बारिश में पूरी तरह से भीगने दो. बादल देखो कैसे गड़गड़ आवाज कर रहे हैं. और बिजली आकाश में से मुझे इशारे कर रही है. उनके साथ आंगन में मुझे बहुत सारा नाचने दो. बत्तखों की झुंड नाच रही है. मेंढक भाई बुला रहा है. पानी में से उनका मुझे, और पानी में से उनके पीछे मुझे जाने दो. बारिश के पानी के उन धाराओं में खड़े रहकर पाँव से मैं पानी उड़ाऊंगा। फिर मुझे बुखार, खांसी, छींक, सर्दी कुछ भी हो जाने दो, लेकिन मुझे एक बार बारिश में जाने दो। So I hope you like this session, you like this small poems, and I also hope that you will also enjoy the monsoon. Thank you for watching this video. Please comment on this video and do subscribe so that you will get notification about upcoming videos. And also visit my website learnmarathivithkaushik.com. Here you will see many lessons related to learning Marathi from English, Marathi from Hindi, and Gujarati from English. And if you know anyone, your relative, colleague, friends who want to learn Marathi or Gujarati, please suggest them my website. And do let me know your feedback in the comment section or sending me an email on learnmarathifast@gmail.com. Thank you. See you in next video. Bye.